Our vision is Vision Zero. It's a very ambitious vision to ensure that no one dies on our roads. We need all hands on deck.
Child Road Traffic Injury Prevention Program. Ang layon nito talaga ay makatulong para ma-improve yung road safety situation. Nag-adapt tayo ng methodology, yung ng star rating for schools, para ma-assess ang situation. Napaka-importante ng data, especially ang factual information. Kung wala ang data, parang we are just groping in the dark.
Talagang in-involve natin sila. Hindi kasi po pwedeng understanding lang namin or understanding lang ng legislator. Kasi kailangan yung commuters mismo ang kukunan natin ng information.
Dahil po sa program, nadagdagan po yung bilang ng mga CCTV cameras namin na nakalagay po sa mga iba't ibang major roads. Nadagdagan pa po yung bilang ng mga traffic enforcer. Dahil may ordinansa na, matitik na po natin doon yung tuloy-tuloy na pagpapatupad based doon sa safer roads, safer vehicles, safer drivers, traffic management, tsaka post-road crash service.
Sa Child Road Safety Traffic Injury natin yung mga programa dito. Basically, yung education and awareness sa mga pedestrians, drivers. Pangalawa, yung road safety training para sa drivers natin, mga operators. Pangatlo, yung infrastructure improvement natin, gaya ng mga pedestrian crossings, speed humps. Pang-apat, yung community engagement. Panghuli, yung policy and regulation, paggawa natin ng mga pulisiya.
The main role of City Traffic Enforcement Unit is to enforce the city ordinances. We conduct a series of anti-colorum campaigns, strict implementation of seatbelts.
Malaking tulong po, sir, yung collaboration or integration between the government agencies pati yung mga community natin.
There are 8 modules. Ang content doon niya is all about what are those traffic signs. Isa din doon yung correct using of the pedestrian lane.
Bawat bata ay may mga pangarap. Makakatulong tayo sa kanila, ipagpatuloy yung kanilang pangarap with this road safety measures. Ikinagagalak ko pong ipabatid sa inyo na na-approve na ng DepEd ang mga module.
I feel honored dahil itong modules na ito, approved na, nationwide na itong magamit. Talagang buong Pilipinas na. Our district camp, national camp, and division camps help us create awareness among girls because in all our activities, we incorporate road safety. I believe that the children at their tender age can be very effective to minimize, if not totally eradicate, accident in the road.
Marami tayong mga nakikita ng major issues sa mga lugar na napupuntahan. Kung minsan yung mga sidewalk ay maliliit. Sa ibang lugar naman, wala yung mga tactile maps na nagiging guide sana ng mga blind. Ito po ay nakapagtulak po talaga sa akin to join the organization. And pag safe po ang roads, people like me will also reach their highest dreams.
Road traffic deaths are preventable. We all have a part to play in ensuring children can live and thrive in an environment where they can enjoy their rights and reach their fullest potential. With valuable support from our partner organizations and private sector partners, including the Metro Pacific Tollways Corporation, Michelin, Abertis Foundation, and the UN Road Safety Fund, we at UNICEF have supported child road safety programs in several locations in the Philippines that have been proven to work. We call on the government, stakeholders, and communities to take these programs to scale and build better roads for children, as a road that is safe for children is also a road that is safe for everyone. When we create safe roads, we allow children to move, explore, and chase their dreams without fear. By promoting safe mobility, we give children independence and improve everyone's well-being. Let's continue to make roads safer for every child.